Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a makeup video. So today's video is my Partners in Cream update. I will link all the information for you in the description box down below. This was created by Delyn and Steph. So yeah, I will link their channels for you down below. I believe Delyn is on Instagram, so I will link her Instagram and Steph's YouTube channel. I am loving this project. Currently, I was envious of watching everybody do it last year, and I am so happy to be taking part in it this year. I have that's two, Nicola. I have one empty this month, and that is the MAC sample of Cleanse Off oil. So it was just a cleansing oil. It is all gone. I have another one of these, so it's not too bad, and I am so happy to have another one of these because I really enjoyed this product. I use like a cream base for my eyeshadows all the time, unless I'm just doing like a day look, like just throwing a bit of makeup on to go to the shops or whatever. And so this actually takes that makeup off my eyes without any rubbing at all whatsoever. Just, I mean, it's almost like the adverts, you know, those stupid makeup adverts, just like one swipe and all of a sudden their eyes makeup has completely gone. That's not real life, hey? But this does do a damn good job at taking that makeup off without rubbing. Takes my mascara off, and I've been using that Benefit Big Girl, Bad Girl Bang, whatever, this one. The Bad Girl Bang one. I don't know if this is waterproof or anything. It's just volumizing mascara, I don't know. Anyway, it's taking that off really easily, and yeah, it's taking all the residue. I'm not waking up with like panda eyes in the morning, so it's definitely doing a really good job. So I really like this, and I might even purchase a full size. Yeah, because I really like this. And the other thing as well that I was worried about was, would it leave my skin greasy because it is an oil, and it did not. It left my skin feeling so silky smooth. It was glorious. So I'm glad I have another sample of this, and I may be purchasing a full size. So yes, that's one empty. Put that there. Okay, so on to the next item. So I have here my Avon Nourishing Hair Serum with Moroccan Argan Oil. And I was last time, I think I was just below this purple line, and now, as you can see, I must have thinking, I don't know, it's hard when you're holding them up, but I'm just at this red line here. So yeah, that's where I am now. I put 1 or 2 pumps of this into my hands and rub it in, like kind of massage it in like that, and then scrunch on my hair like this after I've washed it, so that I can moisten and do stuff to the ends, because I do suffer with split ends. So this has helped. This has definitely helped. And sometimes I like to use a bit of this just to stick my little waifs and strays up at the top here, because I have what I call hair horns, and these hair horns like to stick out and curl round like this, like horns, and they stick out all the time. Normally I just use clips, but I've noticed I've got a few strays, and this helps to just smooth them down. Yes, it does make my hair a little bit greasy, oily kind of thing, but you know, I get rid of my hair horns. It's great. So sorry. Last month this weighed 88.85, and it now weighs 88.28. So that's good to know. Okay, the next item is my stonework palette from Sleek. I did manage to use this a couple of times this month when I remembered. I've been focusing on the blue shade. I kind of really want to try and hit pan on that sooner rather than later. So yeah, it's getting like, can you see the dirt on it? Like, I say dirt, but what it is it's kick up from the powders, which is why I'm panning it, to get rid of these creams, this one and this one, out of this palette, so that I don't get the powder going into the cream. But yeah, I think, I don't know how deep these pans are. It's a 6 gram palette, so there's about a gram in each one, I would say. But then would cream weigh less than the powders? I don't know. Is cream heavier or lighter than powders? I would think that powder would be heavier because you pack more in. I don't know, but that is my thing with that one. This didn't move much. It weighed 80.75 last month and now weighs 80.71. So not much, but I only used it twice and I'm only putting it sort of on the eyelid. So yeah, I haven't got it on today. I've been trying to use something else in this project. I've kind of got 2 cream eye bases in this project. So unfortunately, I'm kind of focusing on the other one and then every now and again going, oh shoot, yes, this one. So that's that one. The next item on my list is my Colossal Kajal pencil in turquoise from Maybelline. I haven't got much of this left. Look at that. Look at it. This is a gorgeous pencil. I have it on my eyes today. I don't know if you can see it. I've been loving this look. I have to be careful because it keeps breaking on me. So that is the colour. Absolutely love it with a brown eyeshadow look. It really looks cool. And I managed, oh, pages come out, which means I've been pulling pages out of my book. So if we look here, this is it. I managed to remember to do this time. So last time I was up to there and this time I was up to there. So yeah, so that's where I am with that one. So the weight of this, last month it weighed 49.46 grams and now weighs 49.26 grams. So that's good. The next item is my Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in Birthday Wish. I have been using it as a highlighter and I kind of really like it. It started to get a little bit flaky though. Like I can, like when I put my brush in it, it's starting to flake. So that's a bit of it there. Can you see? Can you see just there? So it is a really nice highlighter. So that's how I'm going to continue to use it. I think I'm going to use it like a cream highlighter and hopefully I might be able to finish it up a lot sooner. But yeah, there's a definite more of a dip going, more usage on there. But I really like it as a highlighter. And I also use it on my inner corner highlights. So I put that down first and then I put like a powder highlight on the inside as well. So this went from 18.44 last month to 18.29. So definite usage going on there. The next item is my lippy sticks from Colourpop as well. This is in Little Tings. This is a gorgeous colour, bit pink, pinker than I thought it was going to be. So it looks like that. And I'll give you a swatch. So the swatch is like that. And yeah, I really like this. This has gone from there to there. So not much use this month, not much use at all. I've kind of been working on this purple, which is again another product in this project, but also on another lipstick that is in another project that I'm kind of proud I'm using. So I'm not going to take away from that. So yeah, last month this weighed 9.95 and it now weighs 9.90. So there's some usage, but not much. This is not my priority at the moment. So yeah, I'm considering pulling this out, like telling myself, I'm going to say to myself, okay, and I'm going to say it to you as well, because you're watching the video. I'm going to give myself 5 more uses of this, and then I'm going to pull it out, because I was intending to focus more on my Colourpop products for this year. But I've realised I really want to focus on some other products that I think I could finish this year. So, and one of those products is in here. So I kind of want to focus on them, and they're taking me a lot longer than I thought they were going to be. So I kind of want to focus on them more. So I'm going to use this 5 more times throughout the month of March and beginning of April until the next update. And once I've used it 5 more times, then I can bring it out of the project. So this has got 5 more uses to go, basically. So yes. So that was that item. Then let's go to the item that I've been talking about, which is my little lipstick. This is an Urban Decay lipstick. It is in the shade Pandemonium. It is what I have on my lips today. Love this colour. I've been looking for a dupe of this and I cannot find one anywhere. They all come up as more pinky purple rather than like blue purple like this one. So this is how much I've got left. I don't know if you can see that very well. If I do that, there we go. So I've definitely got more usage on this. I think I only had a bit of a quarter of the pan showing. Now I've got almost half showing. So I'm definitely getting a lot of use out of this. I love this colour, love it. I want a full size, I really do. And I think I would use it. It's not one of those colours that I think, oh, it's too bright and it's too colourful and I don't think I can get away with it. I think this is a colour that I can pull off quite easily. And I've got a lot of, I'm thinking of like the eyeshadows that I own, I could wear with this lipstick. Do you know what I mean? It's a wearable colour for me. I know it's bright and colourful and it's purple, but it's a wearable purple for me. So yeah. I haven't weighed this one. I don't know why I didn't weigh it. Why did I not weigh you? I don't know. But I've gone from a quarter of the pan showing to half the pan showing. Well, plastic pan kind of thing. Anyway, been using that. So that's what I kind of want to focus on because I have quite a few of these. I think I've got about 10 more, 9 more, 10 more, 9 more, something like that. And I really want to be focusing on getting these out, hopefully this year. So as many of these as I can. So hopefully I might be nearly finished by next update with this one and then I can pull another one in. But I might not. It depends. It depends how well I go, how often I wear makeup. So yeah, there's that item. And then let's go on to the only items that are left, which are my masks. And I can tell you, I did sod all masking this month. Look, I fully intended to do my eye mask the other day. Did not do that. I fully intended last night to do my hand mask. I fully intended to do that. I got playing Animal Crossing. I fully intended to do my foot mask this month because I really enjoyed the foot mask last month. I didn't. And the hair mask. I say that I suffer with split ends and I say that my hair is fine and has no volume and is just not in the greatest of health, and yet I still don't hair mask. Why do I not do this? I just need to have a day where I shove this on my hair, this on my foot, these on my hands, and this on my face, and get them all done in one go. They all take about 15 minutes. Well, the hair mask is an overnight mask, but hey, leave it on for an hour or two and I could get them all done together. But do I? No. This is why masking is not a gimme product for me, because I don't do it. And even when they're in project pans, I still struggle to do it. Why do I do this? So yeah, I still have my masks. I can finish everything else. I'll probably finish the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow before I do the masks. Let's put it that way. So, that's that one. So, as I did finish that cleansing oil, I'm bringing in another product. So, I have this sample of the Clarins Gentle Foaming Cleanser with Tamarind and Purifying Micro Pearls. This is for combination or oily skin. I don't particularly have either of those. I would say that my hair was more dry. My face, my skin, I would say that my skin is more dry than anything else, but we'll give it a go. It says, leaves skin perfectly clean and purified thanks to its refreshing foam that rinses off easily with cool water. So yeah, it's only a tiny little sample. You know, these things, you get them from the Feel Unique samples. So this is it. From the looks of it, it is pretty full. It's up to here, which is quite surprising, because when you get those sample things, they're never full, are they? They're never full. So yeah, I'm going to try and use that one up. So that is my update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video goes up, and I will see you in that next one. Bye.